So what about you guys? What do you think are the next question from them?
Usually at my daily work we try to predict the future using our AI models, but unfortunately I cannot predict.
Yeah.
I hope maybe something that I can actually match with you, make, the bingo.
Yeah, we will see.
We will see. I think this topic is quite so difficult. Okay, let me think about it.
We have to hard think about.
Yeah.
Just 10 seconds.
Less than 10 seconds per.
I think the time is totally not enough.
Okay, maybe this time we should try the rock, scissors and papers in Polish.
In Polish? Wow. Okay, I never tried, but quite interesting.
The-
So how can I say rock, scissors, paper in Polish?
The rules are very simple.
Okay.
There is the mary na żyk. Żyk, you have to select your figure.
Okay. So any meanings Marina Jig?
Yeah, it's like a small sailorman.
Okay. So let me play the rock, scissors, paper in Polish, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Marynarzyk. Oh, I win.
Oh. Okay. Marynarzyk. Okay, that's good. So for this time, it's very simple for our turn. So you first, second, and I'm third, right?
Okay.
Okay. I will start from the data-driven. Our company, it's we can call our company as a data-driven because our decisions are made by the data. We analyze many KPIs, many metrics, and this is a good way how we can go forward because basing on the data we can make the right and clear decisions.
The data?
Data-driven.
If you have paperless, you can.
For example, yes, the
No, it can
paperless.
be. I think
Paperless
so.
also.
Yes. You have it?
No, I don't have it,
I don't have it too.
but you could. Okay, so now it's my turn, right? So I have, what should I start with? I would say big factory. When it comes to Polish factory, I feel it's very spacious. We have many buildings, maybe shock for people who come here for the first time.
Yeah, I think so.
So yeah, that was the first thing that I thought about.
Yeah, I also have as a word top. We are one of the biggest factories in the world, and especially our plant plays significant role in whole LGe너지솔루션 group.
Yeah, as I remember that the LG에너지솔루션 invested the Poland country quite a lot, and but I'm just wondering, have you seen another factory or the country who invested the Poland country?
Yes, a lot. Our country is opening for the foreign investments, and we are kindly welcome the companies which have some ideas and good technology, and we can support the Polish companies in many ways, from the support of the low support to the investment support. That's, I think it's good chance for us.
Yeah, for us, for Korean too, right?
Yeah, for us as a whole big family.
Okay. Yeah, so I would like to say global company.
Oh, that's the same.
It's the same.
That's basically the
Oh, really?
same.
Yeah.
No, I meant space, but that's not the same.
Is it okay to suckers? Okay.
I'll accept that.
Okay. My next the keyword is that the global customer. It's a little different, right? Poland country is the location is beside the German. So we also have lots of cooperation with them. The Euro country we can't make the cooperate with them. So that's why I think we are a global company. So that's why I will choose the global customer too.
Yes.
Okay. So next.
Okay, it's my turn. I would like to mention that important aspect that we can be proud. It's a smart factory. We are changing our smart factory right now. Right now we have factories 3.0 or 4.0, and we are going to shift even higher. For example, the RPA, like a robotic process automatization.
I have auto line. I meant automatic lines. Is it okay?
Yeah, in case of the smart factory, the major part is increase level of automatization of the lines is of course the part of the smart factory. We can move to the digital world and reduce amount of a paper which are generated and speed up our work.
Okay. So next.
Yes, that's me, and I have many cultures.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have multicultural also.
Yeah, I have many cultures. It's I think a core of our company, especially here in Poland, that we have not only Polish and Korean people here working, but also another cultures that came here. So I think that it's a very huge kind of empowerment for our company, and I hope that it's, you know, just for good for us.
But the sharing the culture and the creative things, the working system, the manufacturing, many ideas we can share. So I think that is the most important thing to work with another country people.
If we just, you know, immerse into these other cultures and take the best of them, I think it will be a huge, big, good point for us.
Okay. So next, I have carbon. Okay, because nowadays, the environment is one of very important things for our life, right? And we also have many pollution in the world. So that's why the carbon is one of, especially I think the Euro country, they really care about the carbon to decrease. And I think the Poland government and our company also, they really care about that, to decrease the carbon, to making the carbon. So that's why. Yes, I have carbon.
It's a good choice, in my opinion.
Yes. It's really important, right?
I have the NMC. It's nickel, mangan, and cobalt, like the abbreviation of our main electrode component. Why I'm selecting this as a point? Because our company, we are paying attention also with the supply line to ensure that even we are big, to secure the ends, even we will have many lines and we doesn't pay attention for the most crucial raw materials, we cannot produce. And in the same time, I would like to tell that I have double bingo.
Already? Really?
Yes.
Wow, you already have the 2 bingo?
Yeah, I already have 2 bingo.
Gosh. I have just only 3 things. What about you?
I wasn't close even
Okay.
to win.
But I'm very curious, another aspect you included into your table. That's maybe you can give a little more information about your ideas and why you already selected.
So I should start?
Okay.
So I also have electric car here. Just a second before, about this whole carbon and about the environment friendly companies that's starting to investing more and more in this. So I think it's just very important and very main, I think maybe driven. Our company is just kind of this ecosystem kind of driven, so I really...
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, maybe I will mention one important aspect. It's that over the time I'm working in this company almost 4 years, and I've seen the big change over the time, especially that the company pay very big attention for the human. And it's human-centered, and many programs and many activities are connected to ensure that the people would like to work here, and this work will be good for them. And I think the paying attention to be human-centered is very important aspect.
Yeah, I hope and I think that our company is just very huge corporation, so humans are kind of part of this whole big family. So
Exactly.
I agree with that.
So how was today's game?
We had a good time. We talk about the important topics and also make some fun.
I also say with the Marichin, I also very appreciate it to remind the childhood. And what about you?
Yeah, for me, just very nice time, pleasant time. So thank you very much.
So you guys, I am very appreciated to join this game with you guys, and even this time is our first meeting, right? But I feeling that we are very friendly already, right? So whenever we met in our company, let me say hi, okay? That's good, that's good. And then I think the time is already time to finish. So I think we can say bye together. So what about that?
Okay.
Okay, so I think we can say in Polish 1, 2, 3 and then say bye.
And what is in the Korean?
In Korea, we say 하나, 둘, 셋 and 안녕.
안녕.
Yes. Okay.
But we can combine these two words.
In Korean,
Yeah, even in Polish, both.
Okay, both. Okay.
we can count in Polish and we can say
Bye-bye
in
in
Korean.
Korean, yeah.
And I think you can speak Korean. So I think, what about you can like say that?
You can speak both.
Yes.
Okay. Raz, dwa, trzy.
안녕.
안녕.